In this video, we are going to look at the final part of our Task 1 essay, a comparative sentence drawing comparisons within a single data set. So in summary, our essay is composed of two paragraphs. The first paragraph contains our introduction, introducing the chart. The chart shows the percentage of rice and noodles that were exported from Vietnam between 2000 and 2016. We then follow this with our overview, describing the overall trend or trends in our chart. Overall, the percentage of rice exported gradually increased over the period of 16 years, while there was a slight decrease in the export of noodles. Now, starting the second paragraph, remember to start a new line and indent. We start with our two main features. We must use figures from both data sets. The highest percentage of rice that was exported, approximately 62%, was in 2010, while the lowest percentage of rice that was exported, approximately 12%, was in 2001. Following the main features, we draw a comparison using two different figures from one data set. Before we move on to look at comparisons, what are two main features of the chart? Remember, when we talk about main features, look for the highest and the lowest points in both data sets. Here, we use 1960 and 1970 for our main features. The highest number of people travelling by bus was in 1960, with approximately 900,000 passengers, while the lowest number of people walking was in 1970 at approximately 100,000 people. Now we need to finish off our essay with a comparison using comparative language between two figures in one dataset, but do not use the same figures previously used in our main features. What figures do you think we could compare? If we look at foot travel in 2010 and 2015, we can see a rapid increase in walking over the period of 5 years. How do you think we can describe this in an academic sentence? Here is a model answer. The number of people travelling by foot was higher in 2015 than in 2010, at approximately 1,300,000 people respectively. This was a difference of 700,000 people. Take note of the word respectively used to match the figures with the years correctly. 2015, 1 million people. 2010, 300,000 people. Okay, so now I'd like you to practice writing a comparative sentence to describe one of the datasets in the chart shown. You should pause the video now to give yourself time to write. Okay, so for the example model answer, we will use 2009 for our main features and look at 2012 and 2013 for our comparative sentence. If we look at travel in the UK in 2012 and 2013, we can see a decrease in holidays taken in the UK over the period of 1 year, with a difference of 20%. We can say the percentage of British travelling in the UK was higher in 2012 than in 2013, at approximately 70% and 50% respectively. This was a difference of 20%. Again, note the use of respectively to tie the numbers with the years. Also, there are two sentences. The first sentence compares the two values. The second sentence tells us the difference. So, in summary, in the comparative sentence, compare two different points in one dataset. These points must be different to those used in the main features. Use comparative language. Higher, lower, longer, shorter. And give specific data with numbers and dates.